We'll show you how to upload a video to YouTube directly from your Android device. Whether you're a new content creator or just sharing a video with friends and family, we'll guide you through the process step by step. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. Thank you a lot. For this video, I am using a Pixel 7a with Android 14. So let's see how you can upload a video on Android. Open the YouTube app on your Android device. Ensure you have the YouTube app installed on your Android device. If not, download it from the Google Play Store. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen. On the bottom, there is a list of types of videos you can upload. When using the YouTube app on Android, you have several options for uploading and sharing content: video, short, live, and post. Each option serves different purposes and offers unique features. Videos are standard YouTube uploads that can be any length, though they are typically longer than shorts and often exceed 1 minute. They support HD and 4K resolution and include detailed metadata options such as titles, descriptions, tags, and playlists. Videos can be monetized if your channel is eligible and they appear in search results and can be recommended by the algorithm. This format is ideal for long-form content like tutorials, vlogs, reviews, interviews, and any detailed or comprehensive videos. Shorts are designed to be quick and engaging, limited to 60 seconds in length and presented in a vertical format. They allow for the easy addition of music and text overlays and are discoverable in the YouTube Shorts shelf and feed. Shorts usually have less detailed metadata options compared to standard videos. They are perfect for quick updates, viral content, short skits, behind-the-scenes clips, and other brief engaging videos. Live streaming enables real-time interaction with your audience. Live streams feature real-time streaming with live chat for viewer interaction and can be scheduled ahead of time. Streams can be saved and uploaded to your channel as videos after the live event. However, live streaming requires meeting YouTube's eligibility requirements, such as channel verification and compliance with community guidelines. Live streaming is best for live events, Q&A sessions, gaming streams, webinars, live performances, and real-time engagement with your audience. Community posts allow you to engage with your audience through text, images, polls, and more. They appear in the Community tab and in subscribers' feeds and can be scheduled for future posting. Community posts are less formal and quicker to create than video content. They are useful for quick updates and announcements, engaging with subscribers, asking for feedback, sharing behind-the-scenes content, and promoting other videos or events. In summary, videos are ideal for detailed, long-form content. Shorts are great for brief, engaging clips. Live streaming allows for real-time audience interaction, and community posts are perfect for quick updates and engagement without the need for video. These options give you the flexibility to choose the best format for your message and engagement style on YouTube. Select the type of content you want to add. I will select video. You need to allow access to your videos. So tap Allow Access. Tap Open Settings. Tap on Permissions. Go to Photos and Videos and tap it. You can allow Always Access or Limited Access. I will just allow Always Access as that is easier. Now tap on the back arrow until you get to the app again. You see now the videos on your phone. Select the video you want to add. The process might be different for you depending on the type of video added, but for sure, you will get almost on the same steps. Because the video is recognized as a short, YouTube will allow you to edit the video. If you do not wish to edit the video, just tap on Next. Tap again Next, or just edit the video with filters, text, or voiceover. Add a title and description for your video. These details help viewers find your video. Choose the visibility of your video: public, unlisted, or private. This is important because you do not wish to set to public some private stuff. Let's talk about the types of visibility. Public. A public video is visible to everyone. It can be searched for, viewed, and shared by anyone on YouTube. Ideal for content you want to reach a broad audience, such as tutorials, vlogs, promotional videos, or any content you want to be widely accessible. Unlisted. An unlisted video is not searchable on YouTube and does not appear on your channel's public page. Only people with the direct link can view the video. Useful for sharing content with a select group of people, such as private or semi-private videos, like a family video, a private tutorial, or a video you want to embed on a website without making it widely available. Private. A private video can only be viewed by you and the people you specifically invite via their email addresses. These viewers must have a YouTube account and be logged in to view the video. Best for highly restricted content meant for specific individuals only, such as confidential work-related videos, personal messages, or draft versions of videos you don't want to share publicly yet. Scheduled. A scheduled video remains private until a specified date and time when it becomes public automatically. You set the publication date and time during the upload process. Perfect for planning and timing the release of your videos, such as coordinating a video launch with a specific event or maintaining a consistent upload schedule. After you have set all the options from this page, tap on the upload button from the bottom. YouTube will process your video, which may take a few minutes. You can monitor the upload progress on the YouTube app. You've successfully uploaded a video to YouTube from your Android device. Now you can share your video with the world. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.